Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 15 freezing after updating iOS. Your iPhone 15 used to work perfectly, but now it becomes frozen after a software update. Recently, this issue seems to be affecting devices updating to iOS 26 or newer. It doesn't allow you to make or receive calls, or open any apps. Worse still, no taps, swipes or button presses work at all. So, why does your iPhone 15 keep freezing after an update? After some research, it can stem from settings conflicts or app compatibility problems with the new iOS version, a temporary glitch, low storage, new firmware bugs, etc. Encountering issues with an unresponsive screen can be irritating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve it. Next, we'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 15 frozen after new update. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force shut down the frozen screen. Your iPhone 15 has the ability to reinitialize the hardware components and do a restart in case the software is stuck or unresponsive. This trick comes handy when your iPhone 15 is frozen after software update. No Apple Store visit is required. All you need to do is quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Immediately after, have a long hold for the sleep/wake button until iPhone 15 comes to life and pops up an Apple logo. This might take longer than 10 seconds. After your iPhone 15 reboots, the screen should unfreeze and work normally. To prevent freezing problems, ensure that your iPhone 15 has adequate memory space for smooth operation and avoid installing untrusted third-party apps. Step 2. Disconnect any accessories on iPhone 15. Some users have experienced a frozen iPhone 15 screen after updating to iOS 26 when plugging it into power. It's likely that the charging accessory is not compatible with the device. If this issue sounds similar to you, unplug all the connected peripherals from your iPhone 15. Be it a changing cable, an external device, headphones, and so on. To eliminate the cause of the misplaced screen protector and phone cover, take them off, too. Then, force reboot your iPhone 15 again to see if the screen can unfreeze and go back to normal working order. Step 3. Reinstall the iOS update. Are you upgrading the iOS in the Settings app when your iPhone 15 screen frozen after update? If so, the software installation process could be interrupted for some reasons, where the update failure leads to the stuck screen. To deal with it, just reinstall the latest iOS that's compatible with iPhone 15 series using a computer. It's easy to do that. Connect your iPhone 15 to a Windows PC or a Mac via a USB-C to USB-C or USB-A cable. Then, open the latest version of iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. If the program can quickly detect your phone showing it on the window, just click it, choose Check for Update, and click Download and Update to upgrade iOS. If the program can't find your iPhone 15, put it into recovery mode to make it discoverable even when the screen is frozen. Here's how to do it. Quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Immediately after, have a long hold for the sleep/wake button. Ignore the Apple logo if it appears. When a restore screen shows up with a laptop and a cord, let go of the button and the device has entered the recovery mode. The timing for button presses is a little tricky, so you can try it a couple of times. Go to the window of iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. It'll give you the recovery options, update and restore. Move the cursor to click Update and complete the following instructions until the firmware installation process begins. This should take longer than 1 hour, so wait patiently and remember to put iPhone 15 into recovery mode again if you find it leaves by itself. Once finished, see if you managed to fix iPhone 15 freezing issues after updating to iOS 26. Step 4. Back up iPhone 15 data and do a factory reset. Mobile phones inevitably encounter malware attack trouble, including your iPhone 15. This could happen if you've ever downloaded apps from unofficial sources, using public networks, or jailbroken the device. As a result, your iPhone 15 freezes up after an update. Since it's hard to pinpoint where the malware locates, it's wise to do a factory reset. Once confirmed there is a backup available to restore, follow these steps to do a restore. Attach your iPhone 15 to a computer. Open iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app. To boot iPhone 15 series into recovery mode, quickly press the volume up button, then the volume down button. Immediately after, have a long hold for the sleep/wake button until the recovery mode screen pops up. Head to your computer. From the given update or restore screen, choose the restore option. Complete the prompted instructions on the screen to trigger the restore process. After that, quickly set up the phone and see if the issue is handled and the screen can work smoothly now. Step 5. Have iPhone 15 serviced at a local repair store. If your iPhone 15 is still completely freezing after iOS 26 update, reach out to Apple's chat support first and they could help you with a solution. Or, send it in or take it to the authorized service center for further diagnosis. After a thorough evaluation, they will be able to tell you exactly what the problem could be and how they're gonna fix it. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 15 frozen after an iOS update. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.